Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another Jackson's haul here. Not sure which is which. I did get rid of the large box that everything came in. So let's see, we have the tiny ones here. Okay. Yay! So Schminke was having a big sale at Jackson's Art, and I did pick up a few of the Horror Dumb half pan. They're so tiny. These are a little bit smaller than like some other half pans, but okay, just seeing here what's in this box. Let's see, I had 3 of the White Nights. These are all full pans. And then I think it was 9 from the Schminke Horror Dumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there's 9 of these. Okay, so this one was the Yellow Raw Ochre. The Helio Turquoise. Olive Green Yellowish. This writing is so tiny. Ultramarine Violet. The Golden Brown. This one I thought would be really pretty for the sand in my beach scenes. And this one too, the Naples Yellow Reddish. Quinacridone Magenta. Prussian Green, I love that one. And then the Opera Rose, I love that too. Okay, so that's that. And the White Nights, the Blue Lake. And this one, the Indanthrene Blue. Sometimes it says Indanthrone, but that's a really, really pretty blue. And a Raw Sienna. I love the White Nights too. They're probably my top 2 favorite, the White Nights and the Schminke. Okay, and I'm going to do swatches of all those in a separate video because there are so many. And then I'm going to put them in my other set too that I have. Oh, okay, this I wanted to give a try. Little bracelet there. This is the Schminke, the masking fluid. And this one is a little bit more expensive, but that's okay. It's worth it to me because, you know what, I'm going to test it out right now, odor-wise. No, it's not that bad. I mean, it smells like a little bit like glue or something, but that heavy ammonia, I can't stand that smell. It makes me sick. So I've never even really agreed with like some of the other cheaper masking fluids. So that's nice. I can say right off the bat, this one does not have that nasty ammonia in it. Let's see, this box over here. Oh, that's right. I forgot I ordered some acrylic paint, and I was happy with this Amsterdam brand. So I got some acrylic paint because I also do acrylic painting as well, if you didn't know that already. There's little peanuts everywhere. And I bought, this is the Jackson's brand, so I thought that I would pour like the schminke in this little, the masking fluid applicator here. And this was really inexpensive. It does say 37 milliliters, Jackson's. I guess you have this little, ooh, little tip there. Okay. Okay. Okay, and pretty standard. Everything appears to be fine. It's just a little plastic squeezy bottle. I figured especially if I was doing like waves in my beach scenes, so I thought that would go nicely. Again, I mean, the Jackson's brand of the masking fluid is a lot cheaper, but for scent purposes, it's just worth the extra money to buy the schminke one. That's no big deal to me. Okay, so, oh, that's right, and I have, let me get some of these boxes out of the way. I bought some nicer paper from Winsor Newton. That is what's in this gigantic box here that I have to cut open. Ooh. Yay! Okay. Yeah. Oh, and if I didn't say so in the beginning, this was, this is pretty big. I'll make sure it's all in view there. This is, what was this, the 10 by 14, and it's 140 pound. I always get the cold pressed, and there's 12 sheets in here. And again, the Winsor Newton brand, but it's my birthday in about, I think about the second week of August, so there's a few weeks yet. But I did treat myself because, like I said, there was a big sale with the schminke. These little paints were only $4.40 each, which is definitely a good deal. Plus I had a 10% off coupon, which was even better. So then they were actually a little bit less than that. And if you know schminke, you know some of these colors can be like $7 each. So that was definitely a really great deal for those. And then some better paper, the Winsor Newton, and like I said, the nicer masking fluid. And then I really do enjoy the White Nights. So, and these are very affordable. They're a little around, most of them are around $2 each. So that was it for my haul today, and you can be sure to stay tuned for more because I am going to be releasing like swatching videos here with the schminke, and then I'll put my set together, and then I'll have these with my other White Nights, and then definitely I will do an actual review of the masking fluid and this little applicator here. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more.